I'm brother Major getting paper, let me show you player. Play by play on eBay, let me elevate ya. But please subscribe and like, do me that favor. And leave a comment if you need help, I will freely train ya. Now first thing first, go to eBay and sign in. On laptop, phone, tablet, my friend. Now at the top you should see a symbol of a man. Press that and it will give you other options. But right now making money is the only plan. So press selling, I'ma show you how to get a grand. So now press list an item and list an item. But you don't have none, so pause and go and find one. Look, you can sell clothes, books, or soap, whatever you want. I'ma start with this coat. Now it's time for pictures. Make sure you get all the tags, also the damages, like this little snack. Now back on eBay, it should say start your listing. Now this will save a lot of time if you pay attention. Type the brand name, items, and description, gender, size, and colors, and be very specific. Now press search and you should see the items if you did what I mentioned. You might have to change the size or colors, but everything else is done. But if you did see the items, then press continue without one. Now take a few more minutes to fill in everything manually, so I will show you both ways actually. So now I will press pre-own and upload the photos from laptop, tablets, or phone. Put in your best subscription and all item specific, weight, dimensions, and who you want to deliver it. You can set your price or what eBay recommended. Whatever you decide is your business. Now press list items and we finish. And please like and subscribe if you ain't spend a cent, kid. And share this with 10 kindred spirits. That's your friends and family. Subscribe, comment, like. It's brother Major getting paper. Let me elevate you. Peace. Peace. Like, subscribe, comment. And if you need help, I'm your friendly neighbor. Peace.